Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Windward Road and someone had asked us to do a video driving from Windward Road by Mountain View towards downtown Kingston. So we are making the video. As you can see, it's a very busy place. That's the Bellevue Hospital on the left. I'm not sure if it still operates though. Guys, if anybody knows what's going on with the Bellevue Hospital, let me know. Or is it that it's no longer a government hospital? I'm not sure. I can't imagine they would close a hospital. It's a massive building. It's a big piece of land. I never realized it was so big. Alright, you see this section of the road is 4 lanes. Entire Windward Road is intended to be 4 lanes. Wow, I had no idea the hospital grounds were so big. Wow. Yeah, Bellevue Hospital, it still operates in their cars, people over there. I don't know why I thought it was closed. Wow, it is a massive... Wow. We should drive over there one day. No, I've never heard. I've always known or heard of it as a hospital for the mentally ill. I'm not sure if they do other things over there. Okay. If anybody knows what's going on, when I say other things, I mean like emergency rooms, surgeries, just like say the University Hospital of the West Indies, because it is a massive, the property, it's massive, a lot of structures over there. I can't imagine that it would just be for, I would think it's a general hospital. I mean, Jamaica needs as many of them as they can get. So if anybody knows what's going on over at that facility, the Bellevue Hospital, let us know. Leave a comment in the section below. Alright, so we're still on Windward Road heading towards Camp Road, South Camp Road. Alright, so this is where Windward Road ends now. Turn left or right, you go on to South Camp Road. Go straight, you go on to East Street. That takes you into Parade. So we're going to turn around here and head back on Windward Road. And this is a new plaza that was recently built. I don't think it's operational yet, but very nicely done. You have to love all the progress. Why is this person blowing? That truck, why are they blowing up the place? No idea why people do the things they do. Alright, so this is now the intersection with what's the name of this road? The police station is on it. Elliston Road. Lower Elliston Road on the right and Elliston Road on the left. Now you see how this is a 2-lane road, and people just park in the road. Unbelievable.